Assalamualaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today I will show you how you can create kinetic text animation in Canva. Before I start my video, as usual, I request you to subscribe my channel and share my videos. Let's start our video. First, you will click on videos. Click on videos. Take this canvas. Click on element. Select a shape rectangle. Give black color to this shape. Now click on text. Change the font. You can take font of your choice. I have selected this one. Now download this image. Select PNG and increase the size. Download. And you can see that it is downloaded. Now we have to upload it again. Delete this one. Select this one. Now go to elements. Go to photos and select this photo. Send to back. Remove its background. Increase it in size. After this, click on transparency and reduce it to 61. Duplicate this page. Now again duplicate this page. Here at the first canvas you have to write text. First of all, I need to take the shape. It should be in rectangle shape. Write here something about Russian history. I will take from Gemini. Write two lines about Russia history. Select the text. Select the color of the shape to the black and text color should be white. Go to transparency and put it to 0. Select all, group, and copy this one. Go to first, put it there and go down. In a similar way, select animations, click on match and move. Duration increase to 1.5. Scroll down, apply between all pages. Reduce the time up to 2.2 or 1.5 seconds. Here is the final results. If you like my video, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz till my next video.